If secant theta is equal to x plus 1 by 4x, prove that secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 2x. Secant theta is equal to x plus 1 by 4x. We know that secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1 is equal to x plus 1 by 4x whole square minus 1 is equal to x square plus 1 by 4x whole square plus 2 into x into 1 by 4x minus 1 is equal to x square plus 1 by 4x whole square plus x cancel. 2 into 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 is equal to x square plus 1 by 4x whole square plus 1 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to x square plus 1 by 4x whole square minus 2 into x into 1 by 4x is equal to x minus 1 by 4x whole square. Tan square theta is equal to x minus 1 by 4x whole square. Tan theta is equal to x minus 1 by 4x. Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to x plus 1 by 4x plus x minus 1 by 4x is equal to plus 1 by 4x minus 1 by 4x cancel, x plus x 2x. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 2x, hence proved.